Hey everybody, this is Kimberly, and I wanted to hop on and share with you about something I'm really excited about. We have added a home pharmacy. Those of you that have been our clients for a long time understand that we've always had a home pharmacy that we've recommended for people, but we have expanded it now. The goal is to really help people, if you feel like you're getting sick, to be able to know exactly what to do, what to grab, so that you can actually change that trajectory. I'm going to give you an example of something that happened to me personally this week. It was Saturday night. On Saturday morning, I had been out for breakfast with someone special in my life for a birthday. And then in the evening, I met with some old friends. And we went out to a wonderful supper club and had a great meal and just was a great day of fun and fun times with friends. So 2 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning, guess what happens? I get woken up and I'm like, oh no. You just kind of have that feeling that something's wrong, really wrong. And I'm like, oh no. And then you feel so icky and sick. You feel like, I don't even want to get out of bed because I know if I even move, it's going to get worse. But then this little voice in my head says, Kimberly, if you don't get up and do something now, it's going to get way worse. And I remember thinking, so you have these little conversations with yourself. I'm going, yeah, I know, but really, I don't even want to move. I feel like if I move, things are going to happen in ways I don't want them to happen. So after arguing with myself for about actually 15 minutes, and things were kind of progressively, getting worse, I decided to get up. And I started grabbing a couple of items from my home pharmacy kit. So the home pharmacy kit that I recommend to everybody, I use myself. I recommend to my kids and my grandkids. I have 4 children and 5 grandbabes. So this is what I recommend to everybody, and I personally use it as myself. So I grab a couple of items, start using them, and within 15 minutes, I'm feeling good. I'm going, okay, I might have abated this, because the goal is really to abate it, make it stop, go away, change directions. So as I'm sitting there, about 30 minutes later, it starts happening again. And I'm like, oh, dang, I'm going down the wrong road again, wrong direction. So I get back up again. And this happens for like 45 minutes. I'm getting up every 15 minutes, having to take more product and more items. And 45 minutes, I'm like, I just might as well get up, because it was 2 o'clock in the morning, and by now it is almost 3 o'clock. So I get up, I decide I'm just going to get on task and try to get on top of this, because I work with clients every day that have been sick, like very sick. As you probably remember, people that have been getting sick later are lasting for weeks. I have people that come in for a month, they've been sick. Like they were sick, but they're not fully back. And I'm like, I don't want to be one of those people. So within an hour, I'm up. I've got my little home pharmacy kit with me. I'm sitting in my little recliner chair, and I start taking things every 15 minutes. And lo and behold, the whole trajectory changes. And within a couple of hours, all my symptoms are gone, which was wonderful, because I don't know if I got food poisoning, and I don't know if I had the stomach flu. And to be honest with you, it doesn't matter. I don't care what it was. My goal is to change that trajectory. I was moving a wrong direction very quickly. And if I didn't get on it, and I would say, well, I think I'm getting sick, but I'm really not sure. When you sit and wait those moments or hours, what you're doing is you're letting something actually take up residence and take over your body. It becomes very systemic. At the point when I was woken up, it was very localized, and I could tell it was moving more systemic. And what I wanted to do was to stop that and change the direction to not feeling that way anymore. So with our home pharmacy kit, my goal is to help you have things in-house. So you have them there, because guess what happens? It's 6 o'clock on a Friday night. You have a child who's getting sick. I don't know what to do. Do I really want to take them to an urgent care? Yes, if it's extreme enough. I can't tell you not to go to urgent care, because I'm considered natural, not medical. But my goal in my home and with my family and my children and grandchildren is to help educate them, help them have their product in-house. So when it happens to them, they know exactly what to do, so they can do your grab and goes. And why we have a pharmacy is because we don't know. We need some things for food poisoning. We need some things for viral and bacterial, but we need some support products as well, so we feel decent and we can go back to sleep and rest. So I was so thrilled that I could change the trajectory of what was happening to me on early Sunday morning from my whatever it was. I don't care, but I didn't want it to happen. So, and today it's midweek. I'm feeling great, and no problems since. I didn't have any problems the rest of the day. I could eat normally. I could do my events. I could go walking. I could be outside. It did not change what I could do. And that's what we talk about: being healthy, staying healthy, helping your body be strong, supporting it where it needs that support, And so that's why we have the home pharmacy kit. My goal is to help educate you. So when you buy a home pharmacy kit from me, you're going to get education on how to use it. Because if you're a mom, you're going to be Dr. Mom. Not only are you going to share this with your children, your husband, maybe you're the grandparents as well, but you're going to share with your girlfriends. The goal is for us to help each other to be able to stay healthy and be healthy. Many times we've seen so many people that just aren't that way anymore. When they get sick, they're really sick. They get taken down, and not just for a couple hours or a day. They're taken down for the whole weekend, the whole week, or multiple weeks. I'm finding more and more people are being taken out of commission for days and weeks on end. And they don't feel good, or they feel like they just don't get their energy back. So I hope this is helpful for you. I want to encourage you to look into our home pharmacy kits. And with that, you'll get some education from me. There'll be more information coming out on how to do. I'm going to be offering hard products like PDFs for you to be able to read from, but also a call with me to be able to be online with a live Zoom call, me giving you education, how to use these kits, as well as being able to do some question and answers. So that's always really fun too. I cannot answer medical questions in the aspect of if you have this diagnosis, what do I do over here? In the natural health realm, we have to be very careful with that because medical does oversee what we do, and they are aware of what we do. So if we start getting into the medical realm, we will start getting ourselves in some trouble. So if you say, I'm having these symptoms and how can I support these symptoms, we can talk that way. So I just want you to think about the verbiage that we use, but I'm here to help you. And I just really, I'm excited for you guys to get a hold of these home pharmacy kits. It's what I've used for years. Yes, I've expanded and I've added new things to the kits based on what's out there and what we're being exposed to. But feel free to email us, give us a call, and hop on board so you can get your home pharmacy kit and we can get these empowering tools in your hand. Thanks for watching.